So I feel that the title of this card is one of the most important things in this card. Initially, whenever you think about daydreaming, you might think that's not such a good idea. That's like escaping from my reality, and my reality with money isn't that good. However, whenever you dive down and dig a little bit deeper, it's actually incredibly powerful because it's encouraging us to regularly take time out and visualize how our relationship could be with money. I have a bracelet that I wear every single day that was given to me by a very dear friend. And on the bracelet, it's engraved, dream, believe, achieve. For you to achieve and repair, or to achieve a good relationship with money, repair what may not be the best relationship with money, you have to start off with dreaming. And the more you visualize and the more time you spend creating a beautiful visual image in your head about your relationship with money and how it flows to you and how the universe always provides this money to you, gradually you will start to believe that. And when you believe that, you start to achieve it. That's why the daydreaming title of this card is so incredibly important, because it's all about visualization. Now, let's move on to some of the symbols. Now, we've taken quite a bit of time over that because it was so important. Let's move on to some of the symbols. And the first symbol that I focused on was the boot. And whenever I looked at the boot, I got the words old boot, as tough as old boots. And whenever you think of that phrase, as tough as old boots, it can actually mean a couple of things.